Good morning, everyone. We're going to town. Bring the car to the shop. The mechanics.
Put a super highway through this?
Wow. Nice road. Super wide. Looks like 2 lane. Very wide. Yeah, our road here, a short, they fix it. They dig. Look. They dig the road.
Oh, you don't want to drop off this. That's what they're doing. They're putting a base in the road here.
Yeah. So it seems like this is gonna be a permanent.
Well, they're doing it right. That's the way you build the highway.
You dig it?
Oh yeah, you dig it up, put rock in there.
Then after that you plane. Then on top concrete it. Hey chicken, hurry up.
Oh, watch out guys.
We're in the highway now. Traffic. There's a school there to the corner. It's gonna be hot again today. Careful. It's like fog or your mirror. a traffic Monday morning here.
Oh yeah, it's all kids traffic, school and everything.
Yeah, then go to work. He just stopped in the middle of the road. Go ahead. So here, there's a beacon there. Don't stop. Don't stop that.
Oh, I got to. I don't want to let it idle.
And we're here now in town. We'll just wait to the mechanics here where we can park. And Philip checking the car. Hi, Kuya Nestor is coming here. Oh, there's a smoke. Good morning, Kuya.
Yeah, water leaking here. Steam from down there.
Okay.
And it was water leaking out of here, down there. She's hot. Yeah. She was full. She was full when we left the house.
Hello everyone. We just arrived from town, guys. We bring the car to the shop. Of course, to the same guy that our Suki, Kuya Nestor. He said that he's gonna look at the water pump, then the radiator, because there is a leak there. Then the oil leak too. Then I think he said that takes time to fix that. So when we go back home, we just ride to the tricycle. So we are here now at home, guys. So we'll update you guys later if the mechanics will call us to see the car. So I'm hoping and praying. Please pray our car, guys, that it will fix, because we really need that is our only transportation here. So I'm hoping and pray too that it won't get worse. So bye for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, comments, and subscribe. See you later.